Because, the way the BJP has beaten our students, manhandled our leaders, it is our bound duty. Constitution has given us rights to protest, raise our voice, issue. All our students and children have been beaten. We don't mind if they beat us. It is not our own children. Our children of this country, they are working very hard. They wanted to have their own future. But BJP government, as I think all of them are seeing dark. So they are protesting. They are asking justice. So we want the resignation of the Honorable Minister. At the same time, we want the matter to be discussed in the Parliament. So they are telling no. But so that is why we went to protest before the Prime Minister's house. My leaders have been arrested. When they wanted to arrest me, but Rahul Gandhi said you can't touch him. So they did not touch me. So ultimately, they have been manhandled. You saw how they manhandled Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and many other MPs very brutally. I condemn the way they handled. He was just ordinary, he was just sitting there, he was not disturbing. Priyanka also was shouting her, giving her a voice, communicating to the youngsters or children how they have suffered. It is very unfortunate the government and the police is being in a very rude way to parliament members and the students also. So that is why we want to give our voice. Congress party is a party which stood always with these great principles. The history of the Congress party is the country history. That is why this movement has gone. With the movement only we brought freedom to this country. That is why we are fighting for the students. We want it to be discussed. We want the minister to tender his resignation. We want an apology from the country leaders, including the Prime Minister, the way they have mishandled the children and the parliament members. Rahul Gandhi is not individual. He is a leader of the opposition with the constitution position. So the way they have handled is very unfortunate. It is a shame on Indian democracy.